Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with a repeatable framework. Commit 2 focused hours per day for 6 weeks to cover doctrine, cases, and policy issues. Schedule days to separate reading from synthesis so you do not confuse passive exposure with active practice. Aim to read and brief about 50 landmark cases and summarize statutes in 1 page each, using consistent headings for parties, facts, issue, rule, application, and conclusion. Combine doctrinal reading with a weekly 90-minute synthesis session to integrate rules and policy across ownership, estates, and transfers. Adopt disciplined briefing. Use Iraq headings in every brief. Issue, rule, application, conclusion, and limit each brief to 1 page to force clarity. Brief at least 3 cases per week from different subtopics, totaling 12 briefs monthly for diversity, and rotate between conveyancing, landlord-tenant, and servitudes to compare doctrines. Mark statutory elements and measurable limits clearly. For typed briefs, use readable fonts and 3/5-inch margins when printing samples for paper review. Review briefs allowed to practice explaining doctrine in your own words. Focus practice on active testing. Complete 8 past exams and 6 practice essays under timed conditions, then self-grade against model answers to identify recurring issues and drafting weaknesses. Use spaced repetition to retain doctrine. Review notes at 1, 3, 7, and 14 days so rule lists and element tests move from short-term to durable memory. Target 80% on practice multiple choice and time every practice exam to simulate real conditions. After each timed session, spend 30 minutes consolidating errors into a rule checklist for future drills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.